Okay, go, Hulyan. Yeah. All right. Woohoo! Awesome.
It's like a boom.
Awesome job, Hulyan.
Yeah, and the lights on my shoe. You see the lights?
Oh, show me the lights.
Okay.
Show me. There you go. Working headlights.
Yeah.
Yep, working headlights. Okay, Maestotech RC. A 1/10 scale Audi R8. An Audi R8, Hulyan.
And a super missile.
That's a highway patrol pickup truck.
It's Superman's giant.
Press some buttons, Hulyan.
That is good.
Okay, I want to see the back of the box.
Okay, it has the wheels here. This is the wheels.
Okay, ready to run.
Ready to
Rechargeable batteries included. Working headlights and taillights. Hey, silly boy.
boom.
Hey, give it to me.
Okay. Whoa. Boom.
Okay. Hi, Maya. How are you, Maya?
Good.
Okay, a tri-channel RC. Everything is included. 2 AA batteries for the controller, the rechargeable battery, and the charger.
Yeah.
For 8 years old and up. An Audi R8. Oh, yeah. Hey, what are you
The
doing?
tank is coming. Boom. Oh. The tank is in. The giant explosion. Yeah.
One more round, Hulyan?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, one was already down.
Put it up. Stand it up, Hulyan.
Okay. No, they keep falling down. It's like, oh.
You're hitting them. That's why. What, Hulyan?
I'm a doctor.
Reverse?
Yeah.
Okay, go!
Okay, here we go. Yeah. Oh, yeah, fine. Whoa, this thing is strong.
Yeah, like a tank.
Now one more for the
Whoa!
Oh, yeah, so good.
And silly.
Yeah.
Good and silly.
I'm so strong.
And super hyper.
I'm so strong, right?
Yeah, you are.
Now I got this. Yeah, easy.
That's nice.
Yeah. There. Like zigzags, right?
So put it all the way up, Hulyan.
All the way up. Okay.
And then let it roll down.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Ooh.
See?
Nice.
Yeah. Whoa. Are you flying a jet fighter?
Yeah.
Wow. Boom! You shot it down.
Okay. There. There's a bag here.
Boom!
Yeah.
You're good, hey?
Now time. Yeah. Miss.
Boom! What are you playing, Hulyan?
Akadri Black Ops.
Oh, okay.
Oh, time for you to explode.
Yeah! Hulyan is good.
Now time to go shoot this one too.
You missed. You missed. Boom! There you go. You hit it. Huh? What happened?
Now I'm gonna have to start things in this place.
Oh.
Booyah! Explode. That's awesome, right?
Yeah.
Take that, missile launcher.
Boom, boom, kaboom. Okay, Hulyan, enjoy your game.
Oh, there's another missile launcher. Pew, 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 pew.
Enjoy, enjoy. Okay, my turn.
Woohoo!
Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh. Hey, boy Hulyan.
Hello.
How are you today?
Oh,
Hulyan, your hair is so long and thick. Look at your hair. So long and thick.
I want the giant rolly monkey. Giant rolly monkey. Oh, it's like Spider-Man.
That's the spinning monkey. Press the button on the top.
Hey! Oh, no.
See? Cute, hey?
Oh, now it's my barrel rolls.
Barrel rolls.
Yeah. Now, time for the other things. I want to hear it.
Ay!
Oh, yeah, that's Spider-Man.
You know it's gonna happen. You knew it's gonna happen, Hulyan. Yay!
Yeah!
Yay! You exploded.
So, I spot. Oh, yeah.
You went far.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Booyah! It's on back of you. Look, you exploded. Look.
Yeah, I know.
You didn't turn it on. Look.
Ah!
Shut up. Ito.
Oh!
Yeah! Yeah! Oh, turn it off again. Booyah!
Grenade! Ah, you shot it off.
Yeah, I'm so good.
Boom! The monkey exploded.
You explode too.
I did not.
Yes, you did.
I did not.
Yes, you did. If it's this,
Hey, does it vibrate? That
Yeah.
gun?
yeah, touch it.
Yeah.
Touch in here.
Oh yeah, it vibrates. Awesome.
And there's a spot. You can see inside from in this hole, you see?
What?
You
What
can
do you
inside
see?
from this hole.
I don't see anything.
Like, cause your eyes are so... I can see something if you make it close.
What do you see?
If you make your eyes close to it, you can see stuff. You can see wires.
Ah, okay, yeah,
And
yeah.
also this thing that makes the light look.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Hey, what is that box?
It's
An RC car again?
yeah.
Okay.
The bumper is really big, right?
Yeah. Uh-huh. That bumper actually protects the car from scratches and dents.
Oh yeah, that's a rectangle.
That's the purpose of that front bumper.
How about it shoots?
And there's a rear bumper too.
Oh yeah, how about it shoots a giant missile? Yeah.
It doesn't shoot missiles, it's a car.
If it gets shoot from a missile. Ew. Booyah. Boom. Now
See? It vibrates.
Yeah, now this is a giant drill digging.
A giant what?
Drill digging. It's gonna dig your legs.
Oh no! So it's a digger now?
Yeah.
A gold digger? Gold digger. Hulyan, help me out. Mommy's not here.
Yeah, she went to the hospital. And a grenade.
Yay! Ouch!
Yes!
Ouch! Hulyan, pull it out.
Okay. Okay, time to get this thing. Time to
Now put the box down, Hulyan.
Okay.
Put it down. And then pull it.
Boom.
Hey! You're too silly, Hulyan.
It's hard
And
to get,
hyper.
it's hard to get this thing off. And
Pull it out, Hulyan.
okay.
There you go.
Yes, here. Here's a
Ooh.
controller.
Yep.
Yeah. Just like the other ones, right?
Yep.
And I
It's a
think
nice looking car,
I
boy.
need this to use your meter cut.
Oh yeah, we need the cutter, Hulyan.
Yeah, we need the cutter.
An Audi R8.
And the giant boom. Boom.
Oh,
Time for you to get inside.
that's a tow truck, right?
Mm.
A tow
Let's
truck.
go.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, too fast. Now let's go. Booyah! Okay, good. That's for you to explode. Look, the car is the truck.
The car is pulling the truck.
Yeah, now he is the
That's
whole
weird.
truck. Yeah, time for you to explode. Because
Explode, explode,
Wait.
explode. Why?
Okay, wait.
Because you're so silly. That's why.
Okay, look at this. Now, time to push. Okay, yeah. Oh, look, you can score too. Last time.
Okay. Okay, everything is unboxed. The controller, 2 AA batteries, rechargeable battery, the charger, and the car itself. An Audi R8 supercar. V10, yep. V10 engine. This car is fast in real life.
It only makes you explode your ears. Yeah. It makes you explode your ears. Watch out.
Nice looking car. Yep.
Every inside ears.
Whoa. Hey, what happened to that truck? It's on its side.
It has a crash.
Why?
Because because there is a kaboom.
It went kaboom.
Yeah, kaboom.
Hulyan, oh, your hair.
Yeah, yeah.
It's so thick. Let's go to the barber shop tomorrow. Huh?
No.
You wanna cut your hair?
Nope.
Why?
There's no hair dryer.
There's no what?
No hair dryer only. I want to with no hair dryer.
You want to have a long hair?
No, I want it without the hair dryer.
Hair dryer?
I want it without the hair dryer.
Oh, that's okay. They will not hair dry your hair.
Oh.
They will not use a dryer, a hair dryer. Gigan versus the white robot. Yeah. Where is Godzilla, Hulyan?
I don't have the big Godzilla, but I do have the small one. Booga. Boom, 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 boom. And now, lizards.
What are you watching, Maya?
Pet shop.
Pet Shop? Okay, why do you like Pet Shop?
Pets.
Why?
Because they're pets. My race pets.
Oh, you like pets? And they are cute? Are they?
And they can. And this one they can talk.
They talk? Okay. Hey, who's winning, Hulyan?
Gigan, because I like Gigan better.
You like Gigan?
Yeah.
I like Ultraman.
I like Gigan.
Do you know Ultraman?
No.
Ultraman!
He's a robot.
I used to watch it when I was a kid.
Use some for your tool.
Ultraman!
Now you're super exploding.
Look at those hooks.
Now
Oh
he's-
my
No,
goodness.
he's a Pacific Rim robot.
What, the white one?
No, yeah, he's a Pacific Rim robot.
Okay.
Yeah, because he's a giant.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Hulyan?
I have to make a triple down.
Why?
Because I don't like it.
Yeah. Drift, Hulyan.
I'm trying to drift, but this thing's too fast. That's why I'm not space to do a drift. Woohoo!
There you go.
Hello, Mr.
What are you doing, Hulyan? Put it down.
It exploded. Now it's on a zoom. Oh, God. Okay.
There you go.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I think it's gonna start off. Okay.
Ow! You hit my knee.
Ow! This thing is super big bumper, right?
Yeah.
Like, it's also like it's going to river, right?
Those two bumpers protect the car from scratches and dents.
But now it gets missiles. Ew! Boom. Wait, I'm gonna try something. Oh yeah, this is awesome. Okay. See if it should go in here. So you explode. Okay, now crash. This is so fast.
Do some drifting, Hulyan.
I'm trying to do this thing, but I can't.
Okay, do it.
Oh my gosh. Ow! Oh yeah, that's scary.
Go, Hulyan, drift.